Whoa, fuck me. Holy shit, Mike.
Bro.
Warning. Switch warning.
I feel like we're always flying at churches. Uh-oh, what's the matter with that? That doesn't sound healthy. Catholic church this time. It's been two weeks since my last confession.
Timer 1 elapsed.
All right. That sounded weird. Whoa, fuck me. Holy shit, Mike. Bro, that was almost a mid-air collision and a half right there.
Yeah, I didn't know you were in there.
All right, call out if you're going into holes. I'm in, oh shit. I'm over here by this park piece. Scraggle.
Uh-oh.
Up and down.
Where you at?
Over in the park. I thought we were going head on, man.
That was close.
I'm getting bit up by I think is red ants right now. Yeah, pretty sure I'm getting bit by red ants. Was that you that called out, or is that somebody saying something?
I didn't say nothing.
How disrespectful would it be if I landed on this altar? Oh, fuck that. That's why you don't land on the altar. That's why. I just fucking... That's why you don't do that. I think I got a bent prop.
I made it. I can't believe it.
All right, let me check. Surprised I didn't crack anything on that one. No, not even a bent prop. That's amazing. All right, I got a little bit of juice left. I'm gonna go through that little alleyway there where we almost freaking ate shit each.
I'm through with that now. I made a successful couple.
All right, that's great because you almost fucking killed me. Oh, ejecto. I want to power loop this, but man, I was coming in a little too late. Oh shit. What was I doing there?
This fucking source one with that plywood stack is running phenomenal. For beta flight anyway.
30 seconds. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That was good. Even though I had a couple of snafus. That was fun. That was 6 minutes, dude.
Like that one that I had.
Oh.
Close, that was on the goggles because I didn't have the GoPro.
I shouldn't have landed on that altar. That's what screwed up everything. It was disrespectful.